Barry Yearout was shot and killed by Princeton police in April of 2022. Officers responded to a home on North 5th Street after a neighbor complained that Yearout caused property damage to their yard with his ATV. Now, a lawsuit has been filed in the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of West Virginia. The lawsuit was filed by Rebecca Yearout and lists the city of Princeton, Princeton's chief of police Tim Gray, Sean Sievert, Officer Earl Leftwich, and Patrolman Z. Jones. The lawsuit alleges 9 counts against those involved in the lawsuit. Among those, it's alleged that Sievert purposefully deleted his body camera footage to avoid potential prosecution after shooting Yearout. In a December 2023 deposition of Sievert, he claims he was not wearing a body camera that night, despite it being department policy to wear one. The lawsuit also alleges officers violated Yearout's Fourth Amendment right after they illegally trespassed on Yearout's property and entered his home without a warrant and used unnecessary deadly force. In the same count, the lawsuit says the officers involved had ill feelings toward Yearout for negative posts made on social media about local law enforcement. In the lawsuit, it's alleged that Chief Gray is responsible for negligent training and supervision of officers, saying that the city and Gray have trained officers that it's legally okay to arrest people for exercising their First Amendment rights, adding that Gray knew about the intent to harass Yearout for his comments about police but took no action to stop the officers from traveling to Yearout's house to harass and retaliate against him. In Sievert's deposition, he said Yearout fled into the house from his deck after yelling and using coarse language at police to leave his property. The lawsuit says another woman at the home tried to block Sievert and told him he could not go into the house to arrest Yearout. The deposition says she was arrested for obstruction. Sievert said Yearout was breaching the peace, which is why they were arresting him. Sievert says after going into the home, Yearout rushed him and swung a bat at him before firing 5 shots. Sievert agreed with his lawyer, Chip Williams, that he considered it deadly force, which is why he shot. WVVA has sent in a Freedom of Information Act request to the city of Princeton for all the body camera footage available the day Yearout was shot by police. WVVA has also reached out to lawyers for both parties involved in this lawsuit. We'll be sure to share any comments available from them with our viewers.